Hi, welcome back to my channel. I have another unboxing for you all, so let's get started. Okay, let's open this first. Here's the ribbon, the box, and to reveal, I picked some earrings from the 19B collection. This is how it looks like. It has a CC logo with a heart and a star and a pearl inside. Looks so pretty. I like it. There you go. Oh, here's the receipt. Okay, let's open this big box. There's the ribbon. I already opened it. I'm so excited to see my bag. The dust bag. Here's my bag. And the booklet. So this is my business Affinity in a medium size. This is in matte caviar leather with shiny gold hardware or champagne gold hardware. So this is how it looks like. It has a small top handle and there's a big back pocket, which I really like because I can put my cell phone here. So it has a zipper compartment in front there, with a beautiful burgundy fabric interior. This one is made in France. So it has a zipper compartment inside also. And there's another pocket here. So here's the authenticity card. It's from the 28 series. It has a snap button on the side so you can expand your bag. And this is how the strap looks like. You can see that the chain is thicker for a seasonal bag. It is not detachable. And also have a leather strap here to protect your shoulder. There. Oh, and this is how the bottom looks like. It has 4 feet, which I really love. For the dimensions of the bag, length is 8.5 inches, height is 6 inches, width is 3 inches, and the strap drop is 21 inches. So let's see what we can fit inside the bag. my cell phone. So pretend this is my cell phone because I'm using my cell phone for filming. I will put it here. The back for easy access. I have the iPhone XS. My mini pochette as my makeup bag. There. Wallet. And my key holder. There. I can also put my sunglasses. And I can still close it easily. So let's see if we can fit a long wallet. So take this out and put my long size wallet at the back here, and then my sunglasses there. I'll just leave this open like that, and I can still close the bag easily. I like this bag because it's not too small for a mini bag and not big for a medium bag. For me, this is a perfect bag. Let's see how it looks on me. So you can carry it like this, handheld. I really like bags with top handle. As a shoulder bag, for reference, I am 5'4.5", almost 5'5", so it's not too long, just right. I can still easily open and close the bag. There. And as a crossbody. The bag is not heavy at all. It's so comfy. Yeah, I really like it. It looks so classy. So what do you think about this business Affinity? Do you like it? Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!